Welcome back. This is Bronx Lockpicker 60 with a surprise that I received the other day in the mail, and you're looking at it. It's a Panavise 350 sent to me. Don't know by whom, but it is greatly appreciated. And thank you so much, whomever sent that to me. Never used one before. It looks really cool, but still not feeling well. But that's the only lock I have on my table is this Lockwood acid alloy padlock. It's a 30163. Come on, baby. It's a 30163, and its key is mummied. And as I showed you when it was sent to me by PickMe, 1977. As you see, it's been picked by Bosnian Bill, Trekmaster 30, Red Eye, Zombie Lock, and it's pinned by Tim Gooding. So let's means this is the only lock I have here without me digging any out. Let's see if I can pick this on this this cool vise. Oh, come on. Seems a little, excuse me, a little awkward to me. After, 2 years using that one I had from Harbor Freight. And this is my first time ever picking a Lockwood, if I can get it out of my mouth here, padlock. So let's see, I'm using a #1 hook from Sparrows, and oh, come on. Anyway, top of the key wave wrench made by Trekmaster 30. Trekmaster 30, thanks for that. PickMe 1977, thanks for this awesome lock and all the other ones you sent me. And let's see if we can get this in the right position. Hold on a second. Before doing this video, I should have arranged it to where I wouldn't have to fool with the camera so much. Here we go. Alright, going all the way to the rear. Got a little click. First of all. I counted 5, maybe 6. So let's go into the back. Got to click on, I believe it's 5. And nothing. I think I got a little movement on 5. Man, I'm sweating. Not from the heat, it's I'm feeling crappy. Okay, I got some action off of 2. Going to the back again. Lost that. It felt like 4 may have given me a little counter rotation. And looked like 3 opened it. And let me set this down. That's a heavy little booger, man. Get the vise out of the way. Never gutted one of these before, so I have no idea what to expect. Let's get the key out of the way. I don't need that. Let me put that here, slide that over. Let's see what I got here. Oh, it's ball bearing, so you can't shim it. And I need a Phillips. See if that's big enough. Yeah. Well, if I miss this gutting up, I'll be calling someone for help. Oh crap, what the hell is that? Guess that's the actuator inside. Shenanigans. I'm not pulling that out. So that sits in here like so. Yeah, there we go, like that. Okay. I really don't know how to gut these. I would have to do more research on it. I think that's to keep it from turning 180 degrees. This little tab right there. So I'm about to pass out. I don't know if you go from the top to gut these. I have no idea. Tell you what, I'm going to end it here. I'll try to do some research on this. If anyone's willing to let me know how to gut these, leave a comment down below. I don't want to ruin it. I already got something, the actuator in there flopping around. I don't want to mess that up, trying to put this back together. If someone can please leave a comment down below and give me suggestions on how to gut this this bad boy. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everyone, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.